we want to give a special thanks to Breyer for partnering with us to make this video. What's up, y'all? I'm Toya from MyFroggyStuff and a long-time Breyer fan. Today, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Breyer Craft products. There's a variety of Breyer Craft and activity kits. Look, I'm even on the packaging. On the back of each one, we can scan the QR code and get crafty. Unicorn Family Paint and Play. Whoa, so we have a whole family here. Yeah! This kit includes 2 unicorns, 1 unicorn foal, 1 paintbrush, and 3 paints. On the back of the box, there are a few ideas to inspire us so we can paint our very own unicorn family. Let's go ahead and take everything out of the box. Ooh, that's a perfect backdrop. Sorry, I get totally distracted by packaging. Let's take a look at those unicorns. I have one with a flowing mane and tail. This one has 1 leg up. And here's my little unicorn foal. Here's the included paintbrush and my 3 paint pots. I also have a cup of water close by to clean my brush, paper towels, a paint palette or paper plates if I would like to mix paints. We can use clear nail polish to make the eyes glossy, and you can always protect your project with a clear spray-on sealant. Now let's get started. I am opening the blue paint. Ooh, it's kind of pearly. Let me get a little bit of paint on my brush. I'm gonna start by the mane and carefully paint around it. Quickly smooth out that paint so we don't end up with a bunch of lines all over the unicorn. Then carefully continue. So I'm still working around the mane and smoothing as I go. Paint around the tail, and I'm going to leave the hooves white as well. Allow it to dry. I'm going to add a second coat to just try and make the color really even. Then take a little paint and lightly brush the mane and tail so they're a very pale blue, highlighting some of those details. I'm going to paint the next horse pink with a similar style. Lightly brush the mane and tail. Oh wow, they look pretty good. And on the last one, I'm going to paint it purple, completing my unicorn family. And for a little something extra, take foam board, pillow stuffing, fishing line or thread, ribbon, and acrylic gems. On the foam board, I draw a cloud shape, cut it out, glue the thread or the fishing line onto the cutout, glue a loop of ribbon to the top of the cutout, glue pillow stuffing onto the cutout, tie the fishing line around the unicorns, making sure to spread them out so they don't run into each other. Glue acrylic gems onto the fishing line, use the ribbon to hang the cloud to make a unicorn mobile. However you choose to paint your unicorns, be sure to have fun and get creative. To learn more about Breyer and the real horses who inspire us, visit the Breyer website at www.breyerhorses.com. And we will see you next time.